Now what I'm going to do now is just bring the Rambler back here and park it right here. We'll call it a test fit. I'm pretty sure it's plenty big, but I just want the joy and the satisfaction of seeing it sitting here. I'm expecting two things to happen today. My buddy Butch is bringing his boat over for me to clean out the carburetor because it won't run because it's been sitting for about 3 years. And I'm expecting a load of lumber, which is going to be the makings of my new building. And that's supposed to come today. So I'll run up there and crank the Rambler, put it right here. That way if he comes with the boat, we can back it right in the garage here. Hold up. So as you already know, Butch, anytime you come over here, I'm videoing something. I just happen to have the video camera rolling when you walk in the driveway.
We're going to video this on how to fix a 9.9.
Well, we can, or we can pretend it never happened just in case we can't get it to run. Then we won't be embarrassed.
Well, I think we're on a video.
Let's do it.
Hey.
So I'm going to just sit this here, right up here on a fender or something.
Do we start out by saying this engine has been sitting up for over 2 years out in the weather? In fact, the whole boat has been sitting out in the weather, and it's a summer project to see if we can get the Blue Goose to run once again.
Well, that's exactly how we'll start out. Since you already said it, especially.
It is special.
You've already put new plugs in it.
New plugs in.
You've already cleaned out my gas lines and replaced them.
Well, there's a new gas line.
Charlie had to come out and see what was going on.
It's got 4 screws holding the top on and 2 screws holding the bottom, and then that gets you to the carburetor. Now I brought some tools, but I didn't want to. I figured you had.
You don't need to get your tools involved.
I didn't want to intermingle and we're yelling at each other about who's got who tools. You notice I'm taking a stand back approach on this. I've YouTubed building a carburetor. Oh, it's simple. Yeah, okay, I was looking at it. It's simple. Don't drop this screw. You've got to use 2 hands to get into it. If you drop it, you'll never find it.
No,
again.
you'll have to dismantle the motor.
Yeah.
Make sure you put these screws where you can find them, because you can't find replacements.
Yeah. Oh, that's true.
And I'm going, okay, all that's true.
Not in there, right?
Well, let's find something to put those in right away. Something we like. I think I might have a
Oh, there you are.
drawer
What are you wearing there?
over here close by somewhere.
Let's go back in now.